Today, let's talk about PVC pool spa hose. This flexible PVC spa hose is suitable for use with spas, hot tubs, whirlpools and swimming pools and water skates. The hose plumbing is made from virgin resin and high-quality plasticizer to ensure long life and is resistant to sun, ozone, weathering, and mildew. Manufactured from high-quality virgin PVC compound. Flexible for easy handling and installation. Rigid PVC spire resists crushing and impact. Attractive off-white color. This hose is flexible and made for use with PVC Schedule 40 fittings. Tubing. Hose and flex pipe size refers to inside diameter, ID, not outside diameter, OD. Precision-controlled OD. Designed to be glued into Schedule 40 PVC fittings. Spa hose simplifies plumbing layouts and installations by replacing PVC pipe on hot tubs and spas. It will readily form to desired contours without using elbows. Unlike other hose, spa hose is measured by nominal pipe size as its OD is identical to the OD of PVC pipe to accommodate slip-on style glue fittings when attaching PVC fittings. Use PVC to flex cement. Note: flexible pool and spa hose should not be used underground in areas infested by termites. This is 3/4 PVC pool spa hose. It can be connected with PVC ball valve and fittings. This is 1 inches flexible PVC pool spa hose. It can be connected with PVC Schedule 40 fittings and PVC ball valve. Precision-controlled outer diameter of PVC flexible pool spa hose. This is 1.5-inch PVC pool spa hose. It is the popular size. Two-inch PVC pool spa hose. Standard length are either 50 feet or 100 feet per coil.